Hello students, welcome to Woodbine Modern English School YouTube channel. We already know that our country is suffering from COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. So I am going to start online education. I am Vinay Kumar from Woodbine Modern School, a teacher of English. Today I am going to start the book Beehive, Standard 9. The first poem, the name of the poem is The Road Not Taken, and the writer is Robert Frost. I want to give a very brief background about the writer Robert Frost. Robert Frost was born on March 26th, 1874, and he died on January 29, 1963. He got married to Miriam in 1895. His first work was My Butterfly. Now I come to the topic, The Road Not Taken. Here the road has the hidden meaning. Here road indicates the choice of life or opportunity of life. Now today I am going to start the first stanza of the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both, and we one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could to where it went in the undergrowth. Now come to the difficult words. Diverged means separated, and took a different direction. Yellow wood means a forest with decomposing leaves. Sorry means grief. Long I stood means the poet was in dilemma. Undergrowth means dense growth of plants and bushes. Now I tell something about the first stanza, that once the poet was coming down from a road, suddenly he saw the forest and stopped there, because there he saw that two roads divided into two different directions. So the poet was in dilemma. He was not able to cover the distance of the both road at the same time. And when the writer saw the road, then he was able to see the road where it was straight. And when that road took the turn into the forest, into the dense forest, after that point, that road was not seen by the poet. Now come to the rhyme scheme of the stanza. Firstly, what is rhyme scheme? Rhyme scheme, or define the rhyme scheme. Scheme is the order in which rhyming words are placed at the end of the lines in a poem. In the first stanza, we see that would, stood, could have the same sound. Both, growth have also the same sound. So when we indicate would A, then both B, A, B. Now another rhyme scheme, another figure of speech is anaphora. What is anaphora? It is the repetition of a word or phrase at the beginning of consecutive clauses. Suppose that and. This is the example of anaphora. Now, students, after this, I would like to give some questions to study and prepare them. Question number 1. What does two roads symbolize? Question 2. And look down. One, as far as I could. Where was the poet standing? How did he feel sorry? Why did he look down? So students, try your best to solve it. Stay home, be safe, and do study well. Thanks for today. Next day I will start next stanzas with the same way. Thank you.